In this video, I'll show you how to easily back up your WordPress website using a plugin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Backing up your website is crucial to protect your content and data, and using a plugin makes it simple and efficient. Some popular options include UpdraftPlus, all-in-one WP migration, Jetpack, and premium plugins like Blog Vault or Backup Buddy. Today, we'll focus on UpdraftPlus, a free and highly reliable choice. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New, then search for UpdraftPlus. Once you see it, click Install and then Activate. That's it, your plugin is ready to go. Next, head to Settings, then UpdraftPlus Backups. Here you will see a big button labeled Backup Now. Clicking this will immediately create a backup of your site, saving your current files and database. For long-term protection, it's a good idea to set up automatic backups. UpdraftPlus lets you schedule daily or weekly backups depending on how often your content changes. This way, you never have to worry about forgetting to backup manually. Finally, choose a storage location for your backups. UpdraftPlus offers options like Google Drive, Dropbox, and other cloud services. Storing backups off-site ensures you can easily access them if needed. And that's it. With UpdraftPlus, your WordPress site is backed up securely, giving you peace of mind and protection against data loss.